have a soul, and sometimes we have gut feeling. Sometimes the things that we do using our logical mind, we find finite number of solutions. But when we calm that logical mind down and we wait for the right signal to arrive at the right time, that is when we are most aligned with our soul's blueprint as a human being. This is the human vessel, or we call it human as a hardware. Ha. So when this person is fully aligned with the soul's blueprint, they will know what exactly to do when and how. For that, they should be able to read their environment very well. Now, the soul blueprint is not the same as this person. The soul blueprint is actually coming from various systems. It's not one God. It's not one star seed. It's not one dimension or like a soul. Because when you call it a soul, you make it finite, and finiteness only exists in 3D, human realm. Not even just human, just 3D. Because with human, we operate in 4D as well, which is emotional. Okay. So now this is coming from various star systems. You must have heard from many people that they say somebody is coming from XYZ star system, like somebody is coming from Sirian, somebody is Lyran, somebody is Andromedan, and so on. But every human has each of these signatures. And there are many more which we are not aware of. There are many more humanoids, many more beings which we do not know. So a human soul is coming from many, many, many different systems from all over the cosmos. And then it gets filtered through a prism. So when all these are meeting, at this point they are converting into one line. Eventually they convert into one straight white line, which is the soul of the person. And again,